Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. Unpairing could be useful if you want to connect your watch with another device, maybe you want to sell it to somebody, give it away or something like that. Anything that would require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account basically. So let's get started. And the first thing you will need to do is to open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So let's open the app. In the app you will see Health page. Now tap on device icon and here you should see your Honor Watch 6. Select it. Now scroll down and look for the option called Remove Current Device and tap on it. Then tap on OK. And the watch will disappear from the app. If you go to the watch, you will see that the Bluetooth icon is now crossed out. The phone icon right here is also crossed out, which means that the watch is disconnected from the phone. And now you can close the app. You can also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone just in case and see if the watch is right here on the list. If it was, you could tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget and forget device to remove it. In my case, it wasn't here, but I was just showing you how to remove it from the connected devices page. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.